Hi everyone, welcome to November's video on the Greek Street Bridge Replacement Project Stockport. If this is the first video you've seen that I've done on the project, I'll leave a link to the playlist in the top right hand corner of the screen now. I have been covering the project since the start in the spring, so I've got over 20 videos already on the playlist. This video today we're going to look at what changes have taken place since the video I was filmed in October, and we're going to have a quick fly over the entire scheme. So just flying over the top of the Armoury pub, just for reference, got Shaw Heath on the left there. See from the previous video, a lot of the infill has been completed now, so it's all at road level. And still over the top of the Armoury pub. This view here is done with a double zoom in on the drone, so you get a closer look. So looking at it from above the bridge deck, got Greek Street top left. See there quite a big depth towards Greek Street, what still needs to be filling in. I'm guessing all that is for the utilities, etc. But it is coming on really well. Got all the infill being put in, like I said previously. And I think it is just all the utilities, getting everything back up to level to complete the scheme eventually. Then on the other side of the bridge, just over the top of the Age UK building here, just for reference, Mercy Way, bottom right. I think this was complete more or less on last month's video. So they made a little bit more progress on this side. I think there must have just been more utilities on the Greek Street side. And still over the top of the Age UK building, Shaw Heath, bottom left, going towards Mercian Way, bottom right. I've done a double zoom in on the drone here, so you can have a really good look at how level it is, etc. Then a view down Mercian Way, looking towards Edgeley Park. Then looking down Shaw Heath towards the railway station. For a full overview now of the project, I've done this as a full 360 circle on the drone. That's it for this one. You can check out my other videos and my other playlists. I've got some videos on Mottram Bypass, got some other railway infrastructure videos that I've filmed. And if you can like, subscribe and share, that would be mega and I would really appreciate it. And I'll catch you again in the next one. Thanks again, everyone.